Determination of phase and line quantities in three-phase star and delta connected loads. Experiment 4. First we shall come to the connections. Star connected load. Three-phase supply, they have given AC 415 voltage 50 hertz. So for each phase we will connect a ammeter. For each phase one ammeter is connected. So we will not this voltmeter and we will not this voltmeter, because we will use either multimeter. For multimeter we can use multimeter, okay, we can use multimeter, or we can use a voltmeter between two phases, that is between R and Y. Between R and Y we can use, or between Y and B we can use a voltmeter, that to analog we can connect, okay. So first R to common terminal ammeter, these are the different three ammeters, okay. We are not using single ammeter, we are using a three ammeter. R to common terminal 10 amps to A1, next Y to common terminal 10 amps to B1, next B to common terminal 10 amps to C1. For star connection, what we will use here, load lamp across load A1, B1, C1 and A2, B2, C2 connection will be there, okay. That is, we have already connected A1, B1, C1. For star connection, A2 to B2, B2 to C2 connection for star connection, okay. Now next we shall discuss with how we can take the readings. Before we start the switch on, first we should check the MCB and we should check the auto transformer whether it is in a 0 position or not. Then we should switch on the MCB of three-phase supply. Next we should check the voltage between, we should keep the voltage between two phases as 415 or below 400, we can keep less than 430, okay. See, make the connections according to the circuit diagram, connect ammeter and voltmeter of the appropriate range. Next what they have given, keep the three-phase variac at 0 position and switch on the three-phase supply, right. Next vary the three-phase auto transformer and fix the rated input voltage as 415. So we can use a 415 or below 415 we can use. Next what we will take the readings. Next after setting voltage between R and Y, we will apply load, okay. We will set, for example, you think 415 we have set, okay, between R and Y. Next we will apply a load. After applying load, IR value, IY value, IB value. IR, IY, IB means this is IR, okay, this is IY, so this is IB. So we will take the readings of this. Next we will calculate VRN by using this formula, VL is equal to √3 into phase voltage. Now we know the line voltage and we should find out the phase voltage. So VL divided by √3, that is the phase voltage. The three-phase supply, here we have used here switchboard for three-phase supply. This is a MCB. If it is up, it is on. If it is down, it is a off condition. It will indicate if it is on, okay. So this is a RYBN. Same we will connect to the auto transformer connections, okay. This is R, red color, yellow, Y, B, blue and neutral, black, okay. This is a, we will connect for auto transformer input, okay, R, Y, B and N. So from three-phase supply we will connect for these four connections, okay. So from switchboard we have used R, Y, B and N. Now we got a input for the auto three-phase supply for the auto transformer. From here the connections will start. For each phase we will use a ammeter. So from R to common terminal, so this is IR, and next Y to common terminal, Y to common terminal, so this is IY, and next B to common terminal, this one, so this is IB. Connected for IR, ammeter 10 amps, and B1 wire is connected for 10 amps of IY, and C1 is connected for, that is IB last ammeter we have connected for 10 amps. So A1, B1, C1 is connected for 10 amps of different ammeters, and we use a star connection A2 to B2, B2 to C2. So different ammeter IR, IY, IB, we have used 10 amps to, so this 10 amps to A1, this 10 amps to B1, this 10 amps to C1. Connection A2 to B2, B2 to C2. This is the load. Okay. Before you switch on the 3-phase supply, first you should check the dimmer. Variac auto transformer should be in a 0 position. It should be in a 0 position. After switch on 3-phase supply, you should vary this one for star connection 420 below 430. After setting voltage between two phases, either you can keep between R and Y or Y and B, between B and R. Any between two phases. Okay, between two phases we will set a voltage that is 420 or below 430 voltage. After setting voltage, we will apply load. This is a resistive load, 3-phase 10 amps. First we will apply one load. It will not vary amps. That's why we will take two loads. We will switch on two loads. Then we will take the reading of IR, IY and IB. Okay. So how we will take the readings, we shall see. So if 2 amps is there and 10 amps is there, we have connected for 10 amps. So which one we should see? Below is 2 amps. Okay. Above one is 10 amps. So we should see the above one, that is 0, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So for which we have connected, that ammeter reading we should take. Okay. If we have connected for 2 amps, then we should take the below one readings. So first switch on the supply, set the voltage between two phases, and next you apply the load and take the readings. Everything is similar, only connection is different in load connections. Okay, from A1 to here, A1 to B2, B1 to C2, so C1 to A2. This is a connection for delta. Delta, we should keep the voltage between two phases is below 230. Once you check the procedure, for star connection we will keep below 430, and for delta connection below 230 voltage between two phases. Okay. First we should set the voltage, then only we should apply the load, and then we should take the reading of current. The current IL is equal to I phase. In delta connection, here voltage will be similar. So VL is equal to V phase. We will not be knowing the phase current. We know the line current value. Okay. So what we should find out? Line current divided by √3, that is the phase current. That you should write here.